मौजूदा सरकार को 2019 के लोकसभा चुनाव में कोई चमत्कार ही बचा सकता है। सरकार ने इस बजट को किसानों का बजट बताया है। क्या इस बजट में ऐसा चमत्कार वाला कोई भी चीज नहीं?
Agriculture. Where is the pro-farmer? They say that we've already done 1.5 times the cost in MSP in some crops, and we will do it for the remaining crops. Where have they done it? If they've already done 1.5 times the cost for some crops, why does the chief economic advisor say that in agriculture, and I've quoted it, the real agricultural GDP has remained constant in the last 4 years. The real agricultural revenue has remained constant in the last 4 years, which means in the last 4 years, the economic status of the farmer has not improved even one bit. That's a statement in the economic survey. So for 4 years, if you have done so much, why has the real GDP in agriculture not improved? Why has the real farm income not improved? And I don't find anything in this budget which will suddenly improve the real GDP or the real income. And I certainly don't find anything in the budget which leads me to believe that farm income will be doubled. For 4 years, the real income has been constant. How will it double suddenly? And what is provided in this budget, I want to ask? What is provided? Show me anything which amounts to a provision. Short-term credit has been increased from 10 lakh crore to 11 lakh crore. But that goes on every year. When I started short-term credit in 2004, I remember the number was about 80,000 crore. It's now come to 10 lakh crore. That goes on every year. That's not new. What else is there for the farmer? You see, if the minister or ministers say, we are focusing on agriculture, we are focusing on rural areas, just because they say it 10 times, that doesn't become true. You have to tell me, where is the focus? What have they done? You'll have to show me the paragraphs in the budget speech. You'll have to show me the outlays in the annexure. You'll have to tell me, so much money is being provided for so much activity. You must identify the schemes. You must identify the money. Simply because 10 ministers say we are focusing on agriculture, maybe the ministers are focusing on agriculture, the budget does not.
So you just said, where is the money for the health scheme that has been
Yes.
announced today? But has the health cess not been imposed? 1% cess has been added to education cess, and now we have a health and education cess of 4%, which means 11,000 crore extra.
Let's look at the outlay under health and expenditure on major items. On page 10 of the budget at a glance, and all this is done very quickly, health, the revised estimate for the current year is 53,198 crore. And the budget estimate for next year is 54,667 crore. It's an increase of about 1,500 crore. In terms of expenditure under the head health. Now, if you go to the major schemes, I don't find a scheme there which reflects the insurance proposal that they've announced. There must be a scheme. There must either be an outlay where the government will pay for the hospital care, or the government will pay the premium for the insurance company to pay. But I don't find any entry here for that kind of money.
No, but money will come from health cess also.
All that is accounted for, madam. Health cess has been taken into account in the revenue. Expenditure has been provided. So there's no more money than what is already provided. Both the revenue and the expenditure have been accounted for already. You're not going to add anything to the number. These numbers are final for 2017-18 and 18-19.
So
one question per person.
Yeah, you have pointed out that two macroeconomic situations are vulnerable, which is fiscal account and current account.
That is the Chief Economic Advisor's statement in the Economic Survey.